Today, take a look at the SKUSA Lineman pliers. Alright, so we can see that is the 18017. There's a nice two-tone coloring on there. Got a nice polished ground surface on that. I can definitely feel zero wiggle in there. So there's going to be no slop in that head. Very important if you need that. These are the rubber dipped handles. And we can see we got those cross pattern teeth on there. And very good feeling teeth as well. We also have that blade. There's no light showing through that blade. They did cut out a nice hammer end on there in case we need to use it for that. Let's go ahead and see if that'll cut through a screw. So here I've got a zinc coated screw. Oh yeah, like butter. You can't see I removed a little bit of the paint off of that blade, but the blade itself is still in excellent condition. Got 24 volts. So all I got left to do is load test. So yeah, very nice, comfortable pliers. Very easy to work with. I do appreciate that those are very movable, and I do not feel any flex in there. Overall, that's a very nice set of Lineman pliers.